It's a smart idea to follow a few natural remedies on a regular basis, while a person is working on getting rid of blackheads. Because a person can use so many powerful natural ingredients, there is a broad range of homemade masks that a person can customize. 1. Clay of bentonite. A gentle yet powerful option to try is bentonite clay. It does an excellent job of absorbing the oil from the skin. It softly takes out the sebum and is a perfect way to try it before bedtime. It's up to the person to decide how much liquid they want to use, but it's best to avoid using too much or it's not going to be as successful. They'll want to pick the correct liquid depending on the skin condition of an individual. Those with oily skin can substitute green tea for water and combine the clay for a custom treatment. With their bentonite clay combination, people who suffer with discoloration may want to try tomato juice. 2. Honey. Honey is also a well-known treatment for blackheads. Often use raw honey for the better outcomes. Try mixing a tablespoon of fresh organic honey with a teaspoon of rolled oatmeal. Oats will act well to exfoliate the skin. Rub the paste onto the skin and leave on for 20 minutes. Make sure the mixture is properly rinsed as it can be really sticky. If a person wants to use a steamer to loosen some of the honey, it will also allow the pores to absorb some of the restorative properties of the mask. A toner like witch hazel or apple cider vinegar can also act as a honey remover. 3. Turmeric gel and honey gel. Turmeric is one of the spices considered to be helpful for acne and other skin problems. Many dealing with dry skin, acne scars and dark spots will want to try the turmeric as well. Prepare the skin properly by cleaning it with warm water. Combine a tablespoon of honey with a half teaspoon of turmeric. It is important to remember that the turmeric is very pigmented and can leave a slight stain. To avoid staining, apply a few drops of milk to the mask. The milk is going to help extract the dye. Keep the mask on for a few minutes, and do so a few times a week. 4. Cumin skin scrub. When most people think of cumin, they think of well-seasoned Mexican or Indian food. In this situation, cumin also acts as an outstanding exfoliant for the removal of blackheads. Follow this recipe to make a delicious cumin face scrub. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 to 3 drops essential oil of choice, half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil or another carrier oil. Directions to use. First, combine the ingredients together, then wash your face well and keep it wet after shaving. After that, gently massage the mixture onto a slightly wet skin. And finally, rinse off the scrub with warm spray. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.